Hello friends, myself Sonam Ashokamte. I am Assistant Professor at Rajeshri Chhatrapati Shahu College, Kolhapur, Department of Statistics. My today's topic is index number. Meaning of index number. An index number is a statistical measure designed to measure changes in variable or a group of relative variables. Index number is a single ratio or a percentage which measures the combined change of several variables between two or different times, places or situations. Also, index number expresses the relative change in price, quantity or value compared to base period. An index number is used to measure changes in prices paid for raw materials, numbers of employees and customers, annual income and profits, etc. Characteristics of index number. Index number are a special type of averages that provides a measurement of relative changes in the level of certain phenomena from time to time. It is a special type of average because it can be used to compare two or more series which are composed of different types of items or even expressed in different types of unit. Index number are expressed in terms of percentages to show the extended relative changes. Index number measures relative changes. They measure the relative change in the value of variable or a group of relative variables over a period of time or between places. Index numbers can be also measures changes which are not directly measurable. Uses of index number. Index numbers are indispensable tool of economics and business analysis. Following are the main uses of index number. First, index numbers are economic barometers. Index numbers measures the level of business and economic activities. Second use is index number is special type of averages which helps to measure the economic fluctuations on price level, money market, economic cycle like inflation and deflation, etc. Third, index number helps in formulating suitable economic policies and planning, etc. Fourth is index numbers are used to study trends and tendencies since index numbers are most widely used in measuring changes over a period of a time. The time series formed enable us to study the general trend of the phenomena under study. Index numbers are useful in forecasting future economic activities. Index numbers are used not only in the studying past and present workings of our economy, but also important in forecasting future economic activities. 6. Index number measure the purchasing power of money. The cost of living index number determine whether the real wages are rising or falling or remain constant. The real wages can be obtained by dividing the money wages by corresponding price index and multiplied by 100. Real wages helps in determining the purchasing power of money. Construction of an index number. The various methods of construction of index number are explained through price index numbers. The methods of construction of price index numbers can be classified into broad categories as shown in below. This table shows types of price index number. First is unweighted index number and second weighted index number. In unweighted index number, there are three types. There are two types: simple aggregate method and simple average of price relatives method. And in weighted index number, there are two types: weighted aggregate method and weighted average of price relative method. Thank you everyone.